Chocolate chip cookies ingredients.
Butter 120 grams.
Sugar 150 grams.
Vanilla extract, a quarter teaspoon.
Flour 150 grams.
Baking soda.
Chocolate chips. Current butter, white sugar in a bowl.
Add the egg and the vanilla extract.
Add the flour, baking soda, salt, and chocolate chips.
Mix the preparation.
Put 10 large tablespoons into the trays.
Bake for 10 to 12 minutes.
Butter 200 grams.
Flour 200 grams.
Sugar 200 grams.
4 eggs.
Half a lemon juice.
Cream the batter in the bowl.
Add 200 grams of sugar and 4 eggs.
Add 200 grams of flour and the lemon juice.
Mix the preparation. Finally, put the preparation in cups and bake it for 10 minutes.
Two eggs,
1 cup sugar. Half a cup of butter.
Vanilla extract half a teaspoon.
Cocoa powder and half a cup of flour.
Combine the sugar, flour, cocoa powder and a little bit of salt.
in another bowl, shake together the eggs and the butter.
Mix both preparations and add the vanilla extract.
Put the preparation into a baking pan and spread it.
Finally bake it for 40 or 45 minutes.